In windows that display longer documents or web pages, you can scroll to view content that does not fit within the visible area. When all content cannot be shown at once, a scroll bar appears along the right side of the window for vertical scrolling. In some cases, a scroll bar may also appear along the bottom of the window for horizontal scrolling. To scroll through the content in a window, click and drag the scroll box within the scroll bar. As you move the scroll box, the content in the window moves accordingly. The position of the scroll box within the scroll bar indicates your current location within the content. You can also scroll more quickly by using the scroll wheel on a mouse. Scroll the wheel forward or backward to scroll up or down through the content. In some apps, you can also click within the scroll bar area above or below the scroll box to move through the content by larger amounts. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.